Hello my friends, ChestnutMtnTinman here, Wednesday afternoon about 2:20. Got to run to the credit union. Taking a damn chance here, already hitting a sprinkle. I got to run to the credit union, get some money for my tires and put it in the bank. Pay my card, have the money to pay Brian for the install, get that done. Freaking rain, 90% chance the next 2 days, and then it drops Friday, I hope. Friday and Saturday and Sunday. I guess it's that freaking hurricane down there, the Gulf Coast. It's chilly. It's 68 degrees. Threw my saddle or my raincoat in my saddlebags just in case it was to become a monsoon. But it's the day after my mama passed. Like I said on my video last night. Oh, I now know why I'm not hearing. Gotta plug the headset in to hear. Sure do. Sure do. Well, that should have done it. But, yeah, still numb, still can't believe that we're talking that it happened. I'll tell you something, those healthcare professionals that work in the COVID ICU units, they need extra prayer from us. Just being up there, forgot a bottle of water, just being up there for those 2 separate days that we got to go up there for a few minutes, just watching everything that our nurse had to go through to go in and out and take care of, and just the risk they take every second that something could pick up and they get exposed. And Kathy, who is a registered nurse herself for the BSN, said that she had a newfound belief for them of what they were going through. She was talking with Mama's nurse yesterday about a few times when she would took care of somebody possibly infectious, put on one of those ND5 masks or whatever they are, the ones that filter out small particulates, and how claustrophobic she would get just a few times she would go in and out. And she was like, I can't imagine having to do it 12 hours at a time. He takes his heavy mask off wearing just a standard mask when he's outside the rooms. But still, I mean, and you just screw up once, just once, and you could be playing, basically playing Russian roulette. They don't pay them enough. They should be getting some of like triple hazardous duty pay. I firmly believe that. Oh man. You know, to be careful with this coronavirus. Have been since it started. Tend to wear a mask, all that. Got my mask right here that I can bring up quickly. But until it hits home like this, it takes one of your dear loved ones. You don't respect it like I do now. I know Mom, if she hadn't have been her age with some of her problems, she might have been able to kick it. She was almost 80, would have been November. But well, it takes young ones also, not just the elderly. One of y'all wrote me where their girlfriend lost their father, I think it was, and then a friend of yours lost their mother. Yeah, it's happening everywhere. It's happening a lot. It's happening too much. I whispered in my mom's ear Monday evening when we went up, when we really thought that was it, and whispered in her ear that if she couldn't fight this and she went to heaven, when she found out who was responsible, to please come to me in a dream and tell me. I have my firm beliefs of who's responsible. They're clearly able to do such. Party opposite of Bill Clinton. I mean, of Trump. Bill Clinton's one of his wife is one of probably the main ones in the deal. Y'all saw what I put out back April-ish that kept getting taken down. And you know what the belief is about Democrats being behind it. We already knew they were evil in their thoughts, but the fact that they was willing to. All right, my friends, I'm back. Took care of that business. Skies do not look well, other than the fact that it feels marvelous out here. Sure wish I brought a bottle of water because I'm so thirsty it's not funny. My throat is very dry. Gotta go get a prescription for Kathy. But it sure does feel good to be on the motorcycle, that's for sure. impending rain. It's nice. No sun to make it hot. 68 degrees. I considered putting my chaps on, but I'm glad I didn't. And I want to thank everybody for all your continued prayers and your prayers before when all this started. I don't think Mama had a chance at her age. Maybe if the hospital hadn't sent her home, if they had gotten started 2 days earlier. The ICU doctor that's over that unit just says it's such a baffling disease. It doesn't seem to do the same thing on every person. And it's extremely rough on the elderly person, with Mom being 79 years old and a previous heavy smoker. Her lungs just went to crap. Pneumonia, full-fledged serious pneumonia set in pretty quick. Just still in the daze. I still can't wrap my mind over it. I still sort of expect my phone to ring and it say Mom at the top. Well, I'm here at the pharmacy. I'll be back in a minute. All right, my friends, we're back. We got the wife's prescription. Gonna take the long way home. Maybe we won't get soaked. And just as I say that, here come the raindrops. Should I go forth and cut back to the left in a second, or should I turn around and haul ass home? Do you feel lucky, boy? Yeah, it's starting to get thicker. Notice how there's always cars in the passing zone. As soon as you get out of the passing zone, it's just like, really? Really? Never works out the other way. at the mobile. Ignorant fucking people. Well, friends, I'm gonna have to tell you bye. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, write me a comment, words, emojis. Don't forget, if you can't watch it all the way through, grab that slider and pull it to the right. If you're not one of my subscribers, please hit my subscribe button, join my channel. I'm speaking fast because it's raining. I got to get the camera off. I will subscribe to you and join your channel. Please be careful, and I'll see you in a little bit.